Hello buddies. So the other day, Omotayo Karima posted this on her page that she always uses this place to bake. So today I said that I'm going to try it out. That she uses it to bake in her oven. Honestly, I know that you can use that plate to bake in microwave and maybe steam baking and all that. I've never tried using it in an oven before. Okay, but on the second thought I said it could be possible, but I need to just try and be sure before I can conclude on that. So I went ahead to make this little portion of cake. So adding my margarine, my egg, the um a little bit of water, milk powder, nutmeg powder, adding sugar. All the quantities I used are written on the screen. So you just watch the quantity. So I went ahead and blended that first part, then added the flour, then I combined everything. So this is just a blender, using my blender to make the most of it. I also added my baking powder and then combined it. Then the moment of we have been waiting for, yes. So I got the plate. I don't know whether I should grease it or not to grease it. This is this ceramic plate that is strong. So, but I decided to just grease it. I was scooping the batter, placed in the oven, and baked. It came out. It came out well. Just that at the point my oven was misbehaving. I don't even know what happened. I set it at 150 normally, and it was as if my oven was not getting up or heating up and all that. I had to increase. That's why it browned just like that, but it came out perfect, as you can see, and the plate did not crack or did not do anything, and everything was okay. So I think you can try that.